makes me love and serve without peer, the most beautiful and best renowned. And though nothing else advances me, so much her worth with honor grows crowned, that I take for payment the honor's fee. For a true lover is gently paid and blessed, who in his lady's honor finds his rest. And if ever I suffered grief profound for love or dismay's dark fear, now he turns it to joy for me here, so that I end my plain tone sound. For in such fair pleasure he advances me, with perfect joy toward her I revere, that I live ever in gladness' glee. When I think that I shall be loved at last, if ever the will to love in her holds fast, but of her fear does not confound, that what most pleases me sincere, she might deny her body gay and clear. For when she sees in the mirror round the great beauty that so advances her, remembering her high worth's crown profound, I fear she may not deign to take the chance that her love might befit any man's request. So rich is her worth and her beauty so great expressed. Desiring a turn to errors bound, often for so far she stays from here, from my eyes and near my heart. Yet though I shed tear, if I plain and weep for joy, I am renowned, seeing but little her who advances me. At her pleasure I take joy's rebound, that I may gaze by imagination's key, wherever I be, on her body and her face. Yet well I'd need the likeness to be truth's own grace. For when I gaze on her colors ground, like flowers with snow when it falls near, and the gentle body that draws life from drear, and her great worthy valor sound. From her through whom worth advances free, nothing fails me nor makes fears wound. Rather I have such great well-being's glee, and so much joy, and so she pleases me, that I could make all the grieving joyful be. The worthy lady, none above her, of mice and advances with such valor's trace, that among us she lives without equal's cover, in fine worth to the praise of the praise race, saving her honor, her to whom I've given my place.